Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add a rich text editor to your Next.js application using Jodit Editor. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a working text editor inside your app, where users can type, format, and manage text. First, I've created a fresh Next.js project. You can generate one by running npx create next app, at latest myapp. Once it's ready, we open it in the editor. Here's the default landing page of Next.js. This is what shows up right after setup. Now I'll open page.js and remove the boilerplate code. We want a clean slate for our editor. Next, let's install the Jodit React package. In the terminal, run npm install Jodit React.e. Inside page.js, I'm importing Jodit Editor dynamically using Next.js dynamic. This prevents issues with server-side rendering. I've also created a ref for the editor and a state variable called content. Finally, I render the Jodit Editor component with value prop and an onBlur event to update state. Now, when I refresh the browser, the Jodit Editor is fully integrated. I can type rich text here, and it updates React state instantly. And that's it. You've successfully added a rich text editor to Next.js. In future videos, we'll explore advanced features like toolbars, plugins, and saving content. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.